بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Respected principals, teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to share my views about the importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be a successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level and personality and helps us to be a deal with problems. In today competitive world, good education has become a necessity. Higher education is helping getting a good jobs and position. Education also prepares people for different life situations. It helps us to have a special status in society. Moreover, education polishes our mind and strengthens our character. Education helps us to take a right decision. It is the key to success in personal as well as professional life. A person having a good education becomes the good citizens of the country can progress well if its citizens are well educated. Education helps to grow in a life. It is the reason behind many successful people and nations. Above all, education helps in building a better society for the citizens of the nation. Education helps to eliminate the darkness of ignorance and bring light to the world. Thank you.